So after completion of partial differential equation, we have another unit. So this is the last unit, that is application of partial differential equations. Applications of partial differential equations. In this unit, according to our syllabus, we find the various possible solutions of standard partial differential equations by the method of separation of variables. I think you are familiar about to find the solution by using partial differential equation by the method of separation of variables. Actually, solving the partial differential equation, we adopt different methods are available, but according to our syllabus, we select only one method, that is the method of separation of variables, to find the various possible solutions of standard partial differential equations. Here we have only four derivatives are there. One is one-dimensional wave equation, another one is one-dimensional heat equation and D'Alembert's equations, and two-dimensional Laplace equations. So in examination point of view, one question from out of 4 for 10 marks. Write down various possible solutions of standard partial differential equations by the method of separation of variables. Number 1, write down the question. Various possible solutions of the one-dimensional wave equation dou square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square by the method of separation of variables. Write on the question. Important type for 10 marks for each derivation. This out of 4, 3 derivations are procedure is same, that is why only one derivation is totally different compared to other 3 derivatives. For examination point of view, it's very important. You just refer only these 4 derivatives to get 10 marks. Over. Proof. Consider, because we already discussed in previous problem, we already discussed solving the PD by the method of separation of variables. Here also we adopt that method. That is why consider dou square u by dou t square equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square. Let you recall the working procedure for the method of separation of variables. Here u is dependent, other independent variables are x and t is there. That is why you take u is equal to capital letter xt. You recall the working rule. Let u is equal to xt, where x means x of x and t means t of t. Be the solution of the given PD hence the PD becomes dou square xt. That means you substitute u equal to xt to the given by dou t square is equal to c square into dou of xt by dou x square. Write down first. Over. Next step, you separate x and t, that is, or x into converting dou to d square t by dt square equal to c square into t into d square x by dx square. Divide both side by c square xt. Here c square is there, that is why. That is 1 by c square t d square t by dt square is equal to 1 by x d square x by dx square. And very next step is equating the common constant k. We have 1 by x d square x by dx square equal to k. See how we separate x and t. And 1 by c square t d square t by dt square is equal to k. That is d square x by dx square equal to, or take that side, minus kx equal to 0, d square t by dt square minus c square kt equal to 0, or you denote d square means d square by dx square for convenient, minus k x common is equal to 0. Here d square minus c square k of t equal to 0. We have two equations with respect to t, with respect to x, where d square means d square by dx square. So after we get these two equations, you consider case 1. See, in every derivation from this particular type of problems, that is find various possible solutions of partial differential equation by the method of separation of variables. You see the question, various possible solutions means we consider negative side 0 and positive side, so that is why we call various possible solutions. Various possible solutions means 0, negative, positive. And case number 1, let denoted k equal to 0. Next we consider k 0, and case 2 k is positive and k is negative. So these 0, positive and negative, these are called various possible solutions. So now we consider case 1, let k equal to 0. The equations becomes, means these two equations, the equations becomes, what happened, case 0, d square x equal to 0, here d square t equal to 0. You know how to solve second order ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients, we already discussed in second semester. In both the equations, we find auxiliary equation, that is auxiliary equation means replace d by m. So m square equal to 0, here also m square equal to 0, m square equal to 0. Write down this. So important type is very simple, because we already know about the procedure of method of separation of variables to get the solutions. And after we get these two equations, we consider case 1 and case 2, case 3. Case 1, k equal to 0. Next case 2, k is equal to positive. Case 3, k equal to negative. So these case 1, case 2, case 3 are various possible solutions of the standard partial derivative of particularly one-dimensional wave equations. Say in mechanical, the method of variation of separation of variable is very important to analyze one-dimensional wave equation and heat equation. Okay, over. Next step. See, m square equal to 0 means m equal to 0, 0. Here also m equal to 0, 0. You analyze the roots. Here 0 are the roots. So here 0 and we get 0 and 0. 0 and 0 means the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal means the solution are given by x is equal to, you recall how to construct the solution if the roots are real and equal, that is c1 plus c2x into e power 0x. Here t is equal to c1 c2 c3 plus c4 t e power 0 t. Okay, or x is equal to c1 plus c2x, e power 0 is 1. Here c3 plus c4 t into e power 0 is 1. So we got x and t. Hence the solution of the partial differential equation is given by u is equal to xt, that is c1 plus c2x into c3 plus c4t. So this is the solution if k is equal to 0, the various possible solution. Okay, next case 2. Let k be a positive, 0, positive and negative. These are the various possible solutions. So that is why we say k means positive, means you denote plus p square for convenient. The equations becomes, that is d square minus, you put k value plus p square into x, and d square minus c square p square into t equal to 0. Next, replace d by m, you will get the auxiliary equation is in the form of m square equal to p square. Here m square equal to c square p square. Okay, auxiliary equations. Therefore m is plus or minus p. Here also m means plus or minus cp. Okay, so the roots are real and distinct, plus p and minus p is there. So you construct the solution, depends the nature of the roots. So here we consider the roots are real and unequal. So you write x is equal to, the roots are real and unequal means you construct the solution is in the form of c1 e power plus px plus c2 e power minus px. Here also c3 e power cpt plus c4 e power minus cpt. Okay, you know how to construct the solution, depends the nature of roots. Roots are real and equal, you can write like this. Real and unequal, you can write like this. Okay, be the solutions of the PDE. Thus u is equal to xt, write down this, c1 e power px, c2 e power minus px into c3 e power cpt, c4 e power minus cpt is the solution if k is positive. Write down this, very very important. Over. So next case 3. case 3, let k be the negative, say k is equal to minus p square. See, 3 derivations, we always consider case 1, case 2, case 3 like this, and we also adapt method of separation of variables. That is why this is very important for examination point of view to you. Case 3, the equation becomes d square minus into minus plus p square x equal to 0 and d square plus c square p square t equal to 0. Okay, replace d square d by m, that is auxiliary equation m square plus p square equal to 0 and m square plus c square p square equal to 0, or m square equal to minus p square, here m square is equal to minus c square p square. Therefore, what about m? M is plus or minus ip, here m is plus or minus icp. Complex, the roots are in complex form because of y. So you know how to construct the solution if the roots are in complex form. That is, the solutions are given by x is equal to c1 cos px, c2 sin px and t equal to c3 cos cpt, c4 sin cpt. Okay, so you already c1 c2 is there. See, for avoiding the confusion, here you denote c1 dash in case 2. In case 1 c1 c2 c3, case 2 c1 dash c2 dash etc. and case 3 c1 double dash c2 double dash c3 double dash c4 double dash for convenient. Thus u is equal to xt means c1 double dash cos px, c2 double dash sin px into c3 double dash cos cpt, c4 double dash sin cpt. So this is the various possible solutions of one-dimensional wave equations. So this proof for 10 marks. Write on this. Over. Next, second derivation, find various possible solutions of the one dimensional heat equation dou u by dou t is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square by the method of separation of variables. Write in the question. Okay, proof. Like previous derivation, consider dou u by dou t equal to c square dou square u by dou x square. Let u is equal to xt, where x equal to x of x and t equal to t of t be the solution of given PD. The PD becomes dou by dou t of xt, mean you substitute u equal to c square dou square by dou x square into xt, or separate the variables dt by dt c square t into d square x by dx square. This is the method of separation of variable procedure. Very next step is equating, or sorry, divide both side by c square xt, that is 1 by c square t dt by dt is equal to 1 by x d square x by dx square. Very next step is equating the common constant k. Write down first. Or next step, that is 1 by c square t into dt by dt equal to k, 1 by x d square x by dx square equal to k. That is dt by dt, take this side, c square kt equal to 0, d square x by dx square minus kx equal to 0, or d minus c square kt equal to 0, d square minus k of t of x equal to 0. Okay, where d means d by dt, case 1 like previous derivation, here also let k equal to 0, that is d minus c square k c square d equal to 0, here d square x equal to 0. Auxiliary equation by replacing d by m equal to 0, here m square equal to 0, here m equal to 0 0, here single root, here double root, here roots are real and equal, here only single root. So the solutions are, with respect to t, c1 e power 0 t, here x, with respect to x the roots are real and equal, c1 c2 plus c3 x e power 0 x, or t equal to c1 because e power 0 is 1, x is equal to e power 0 is 1, c1 plus c2 x. Hence the solutions of the PDE is given by u equal to xt, means c1 into c2x plus c3 or c2 plus c3x, no problem. So this is the required solution. Write on this. Over. Next, case 2. Let k be positive, means plus p square. Auxiliary equation m minus, replace d by m, c square p square equal to 0, and m square minus p square equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to c square p square. Here m square is equal to p square, m is equal to plus or minus p here. Solutions are given by t is equal to c1 dash e power c square p square t, and x is equal to c2 dash e power px, because roots are real and unequal, c3 dash e power minus px. Thus u is equal to xt, means c1 dash e power c square p square t into c2 dash e power px plus c3 dash e power minus px. Next, case 3. Let k be the negative denoted by minus p square. Auxiliary equation m plus c square minus into minus plus c square p square equal to 0 and m square plus p square equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus c square p square. Here m square is equal to minus p square. Here m is plus or minus ip. So here single root, here roots are in complex. Solution are given by t is equal to c1 double dash e power minus c square p square t and x is equal to c2 double dash cos px plus c3 double dash sin px. Thus u is equal to xt c1 double dash e power minus c square p square t c2 double dash cos px plus c3 double dash sin px. So this is the required solution. So thus we got the various possible solutions of one-dimensional heat equations. Write on this. Over. Okay, we'll continue in next class.